guys, welcome back to Design by Misha, a YouTube channel that brings to you a lot of ideas and inspiration for your Today I'm standing at Waste to Wonders Park in Delhi. Here you can see replica of 7 wonders of the world. So are you ready to explore Waste to Wonders with me? Come, let's go! To give life to the idea, 5 artists with the help of 7 supporting artists and 50 laborers from across the country came together, using close to 80 tons of waste to create this park in 6 months of time. Do you know that the Great Pyramid of Giza is the oldest of the 7 wonders of the ancient world? Around 110 layer structure has been generated by using 10,800 feet scrap angles weighing 10 to 12 tons. It was constructed in 12th century. The replica consists of about 211 arches spread out in 8 stories, which have been fabricated from cycle ring, diamond design in between the arches that are made from metal sheets and pipes to look like a pillar. It is a 70 feet tall and made up of wrought iron, lattice and many more automobile waste like trucks, clutch plates, C-channels, etc. The 3 floors of the replica were created separately and assembled with the help of a crane. The largest stone amphitheater called Colosseum. Waste that are used to generate it are electric poles, metal railings, bench, automobile spare, car wheels are used to make arches. This beautiful structure of Taj Mahal has been crafted using 1600 cycle rings, electric pole pipes, old pans, park benches, swing, truck springs, sheets, etc. And the dome have been created by using 2 pipes. Truck sheets have been used to create intricate design, window and door frame by using benches. From benches, square pipes are used to make the pedestal. To make the lower part of the statue, dress electric poles have been placed vertically. Motorbike chains are used to create hair and engine part for hands. Pedestal has been created using old piles, metal railings and angles which give a look of bricks. Circular rings are created by using car rims. In her left hand, Roman Liberty goddesses hold a tablet carved from an MCD bench and metal sheets. In her right hand, she holds a torch made up of old bike and its chain. And her hair are made using cycle chain. Waste to Wonder Park is one of its kind as it is made from industrial and other waste. To make the Wonder Park sustainable, SDMC has decided to make use of renewable energy to meet its electricity needs. For the same, solar panels have been installed on the rooftop of the washroom, along with the 3 solar trees and a windmill. I hope you like this video. Thanks a lot for watching this. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel Design by Misha.
I